pinapakita mo eh. Lahat ang pinapakita mo.
Pare, wala ang makin sa likod mo.
Pakita mo kasi ano, bakit ang mga ano? Pagkakit ko rin pakalit na pagkakit mo eh.
Pare, maliit ang katawan ko. Pero nagkakandoan ako.
Ay, hindi! Taka na! Balik ka ng muscle! Pakita mo!
Without
Wala naman pwede!
I find this charter cruise is coasting my way.
Pare, bakit maliit ang katawan namin sa'yo, pare? Pare, no offense ha? Pare, no offense. Maliit ang katawan namin sa'yo, pero hindi na kami.
Yes, there were times
Todo las
I knew
Ikaw pala
when I
On the night I sleep on a bed of nails, I wanna be just as close as Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Alright! Pare, it's your turn, my friend. Tito Big's turn, ha?
And I take my way home.
Alright.
A king's ransom and dimes, I give each night to see through this payphone. I buy all of the time, but it's hard to get through till the birds on the wire rise me back to you. I'll just close my eyes. Bigay mo Tito Big, pare.
I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down a bed of roses. Tito Big, shout out Boston.
Don't try and make her speak to the she's giving me
And I must say yeah, right.
but I laughed so hard I